Hey there, Money Mavens. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today's video is all about how to send money from PayPal to Venmo in 2024 and 2025. If you've ever found yourself juggling between these two popular apps, you're in the right place. PayPal and Venmo are both super convenient, but transferring money between them isn't always straightforward. Don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps quickly and clearly, so you can get it done in no time. First things first, let's get started with the basics. You'll need accounts on both PayPal and Venmo, and make sure they're linked to the same bank account or debit card for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Navigate to your wallet or balance section, and select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Choose to send the money to your linked bank account. This might take a few days to process, so plan ahead. Once the funds hit your bank, head over to the Venmo app. Step 2. Open Venmo and go to your account settings. Look for the Add Money or Transfer In feature. Link your bank account if you haven't already, and initiate a transfer from your bank to your Venmo balance. Enter the amount you want to add, confirm the details, and hit Send. Boom! You've successfully moved money from PayPal to Venmo. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Always double-check for any fees involved. PayPal might charge for instant transfers, and Venmo could have limits on daily transfers. Also, keep an eye on the latest updates from both apps, as features can change in 2024 and 2025. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, contact customer support right away. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to bridge the gap between PayPal and Venmo. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.